What's up, guys? It's Brian. We're here at the Grammys, and there's going to be a lot of photos taken in my photo booth. Stay tuned for some photos. Come check it out.
Hi guys, I'm Benjo Awas. This is our official winner's portrait studio for the Grammys today. And from here we're gonna step out and walk into our social media and a bit more fun set.
Hey everybody, the premiere ceremony for the Grammys is starting right now. You're gonna wanna watch it. It's gonna be fun. There's music, there's singing, there's dancing. It's gonna be great. Watch it.
Hey, what's up? This is Questlove, and I'm excited to be part of the 65th annual Grammy Awards. 65. The Grammy is now senior citizens.
Hi, I'm Tom McDougall, and this is Mike Elizondo, and with Lin-Manuel Miranda, we produced the soundtrack to Encanto, and we couldn't be more excited to be here at the Grammys, and of course to win, so it's going to be a great Sunday for us, for sure.
Hi, I'm Viola Davis. I just won my first Grammy. I completed my EGOT. I feel, you know what? I feel such a sense of accomplishment from just writing this book. I keep thinking about that saying that just when the caterpillar thought it was dying, it became a butterfly. So today, I'm the butterfly.